Hey there, my name is Sagar. So in this video, I'll talk about and going to show you that what is the four-step process to use StreamYard effectively and deliver your content. Okay, so let's talk about why StreamYard. StreamYard is one of the best tool. I tried some other tool, but I really like about the easy to use, not very big, difficult tool to use, very easy to use. And the real benefit I would like to share first, you can not only go live on Facebook, you can go live on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, but not Instagram. But I have seen they don't have actually feature. Maybe hope they will add in the future. Okay, so that is the one thing. And also you do multi-stream. Like my main channel, I communicate with my audience. It's Facebook group, my group. Uh, but I also multi-stream into different platforms so that other people. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm recording in one platform. So, but thing is, I'm distributing in a different platform. Okay. So 3 plan I have right now. You can upgrade for six multi-stream platform. You can do it for. Okay. So that is the best to do it. And also I do interview format, not for just live or solo live. It really helpful for me to do interview. I've done more than 30 interviews, and those 30 interviews are almost done from StreamYard. So StreamYard is one of the best tool. I recommend do it. Now let's talk about the 4 step so that you can use the best out of it. So for that, I'll quickly share my screen. The first step is you need to set up your account. Okay, in setup step, you need to set up your account, and you need to also connect with your page. Okay, now you can go and sign up the free account. This is a free to sign up, free to go live in one platform, but for a multi-stream platform, you have to upgrade to the next level plan. So I'm in essential plan where actually they charge $10 per month. Sometimes they give this offer, not every time. Okay, that is something you can check it out. Okay, so in the setup part, once you sign up, so you can pause it and sign up for free account. So there is a referral link of mine in the description. You can figure it out. Okay, so the next step in the setup step, there is another thing you need to work on is destination, where exactly you wanted to go live. So I have connected my profile page, my group, my different challenge group I do for like some group cash flow challenge, affiliate challenge, some other social media like LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, I have connected over here. So how to do it? So basically you will not see like here. So you have to first add destination, then connect as per your social media. And mostly people prefer Facebook Live, Facebook page, or sorry, Facebook profile, whatever objective your audience you have, you can connect with this. Just click on, let's suppose you want to click on this, connect with Facebook. So basically it will redirect to your Facebook integration, and that you can choose what group you really like to connect. Okay. Now the next step, you can connect groups, page, profile, and thing. Okay. Now, the one thing that you need to work on, that is I'm going to show you right now. So I'll show you something like how you can connect with your Facebook group. This is the first setup you need. And let's suppose you are going live inside a group. So for group specifically, you need to do extra stuff. So what you need to do is, this is your group. So this is my recent group I have created and I did live. So what you need to do, just scroll down and go to the group settings and completely scroll down to the last, and you will find something called apps. Okay, this apps where you will connect with your system, right? So suppose here I'm just removing it. So how to add apps? You just to click apps and search here StreamYard. Okay. Okay. Yes, I got StreamYard. Now I connect the StreamYard right now. Once I connect StreamYard, I'm able to actually connect from the destination over here. That is something you need to work on before adding destination for specifically groups. Okay. Now you can go live. Okay. The next step is to plan something. How to plan? So first you cover the setup. Next step is actually plan live. You can go live solo. You can go live with your guest. You can do, also you can share So let me show you, share a screen. So the plan how you can do is, so before you plan something, you need to very clear about whether you are doing an interview or solo, right? So whenever I create a broadcast, I'm planning something right now, I can go live directly, okay, but I can plan also like schedule for a maybe tomorrow or tonight, something like that. Suppose I'm just going to choose which group I'm to go live here. Okay, so let's go like test YouTube. Like I'm just in testing. I'm just writing this topic. So you can write your topic or whatever topic you want to discuss. So now here, if I wanted to go live right now, I can directly click create broadcast. If you wanted to schedule later, I can click schedule later. Then for schedule later, you have to upload a thumbnail. So people will see and set a reminder for it. Okay. That is a good way to actually notify your audience before you go live. So most times, so I do instant live. That is something I prefer by whenever I get time. Okay. So I want to do live. So you can select a time and schedule it. Okay. Once I'm not actually putting this one. I'm just going to show you what the next step. So once you create your broadcast. So basically I'm entering into a directly live platform where actually you will see uh, how to do it. Okay. So now here also I can invite my guest by clipping sharing this particular link. Also I can go to StreamYard. This is also, if you are just scheduling something, you can directly go and invite a guest over here, copy link. Okay, let me enter into the broadcast room. Now we have completed step number 2. You plan your live. You can add banner by scheduling it. Now at the time to stream. How to do stream? So this is the live button you are going to stream. Okay. First, you need to add to your profile to the stream. So this is something I have added in the left hand side. And before that, you can also, before going to do live streaming, what I'm really want you to plan something, a banner, something what like, okay, what I can do is, let's suppose if somebody want to sign up a free StreamYard, I can share like this. See, hey, if you want to sign up for a free StreamYard account, just type bit.ly has slash free StreamYard. This is my referral link and sign up for free. So this I can show. These are things I have to write it down before it, because I'm going to show when I will be live. Okay. So these are some things whenever I also do some concepts video, I also create sometimes live so content here. I wanted to showcase, okay, the 5-step system to build your online business. First, this, second, this. So these are the some banners you can add. Okay, something you can also add brand. Okay, so before going to live, you can also use this type of, I have a 3-minute timer, 5-minute timer, and this is the default you will always find, but you can add more clips. So that is something you can do. Now also you can change this particular button, or you can change the color of your choice. Here I'm changing the color. Okay, I am changing the color what I want. Okay, so that's how you can also do it. I like this one, so I'll keep it here. You can also check it out all the comments over here. So this is something you can do. Now I have not actually gone live over here, so I can go live and start these things. So let's suppose that I'm just going to show you how it look like. Okay. So this is how you go live. So hi everyone, if someone is watching, I'm actually testing this live inside my group, and I am recording and showing to my YouTube audience. Okay, so this is the for testing purpose. If anybody watching, just ignore it. So cool. So this is how you do it, and you can literally pull out any banner whenever you are doing live, and you can invite your guest, and your guest will be appear over here, and you can add from there. Okay. Also, you can share screen from this. Okay, once you share screen, it will ask, okay, whether you wanted to share screen through entire screen or any specific window, any Chrome tab. Okay, that is I can do. What else you can do? You can also see the charts, whosoever is commenting in the chat box. Okay, and what else? You can change your camera, change your virtual backgrounds. Okay, uh, with high definition. Okay, you can change. This is the high definition. Okay, I'll just keep it this one. I'll just keep it this one. Cool. So this is how actually you do StreamYard live. And if you want to end, so just end this broadcast, and this will automatically save inside your group. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Now you can return to your dashboard, and the best part is, so this is the live streaming, and the third step I just talked about how you can stream this. Okay, inside the group, inside the page, something you can do it. So you can also share the links, banner, all I talked about. Now what is after stream? The fourth step is post stream. Post stream, you can actually download this particular file, download recording of video, audio. Sometimes I put it on my Anchor for my podcast, and video, something I can repurpose or cut, and this is the original file of the downloaded version. Okay. So this is all about the post production. What else? Okay. Okay. One more thing here. You can also restream. Okay. Schedule broadcast, and you wanted to restream to any other channels, you can restream. Let's suppose you have only 3 members and you want to restream to other platform, you can also do it. So that's it for all about StreamYard, how you can effectively use StreamYard. And it is not just about content creation, it is all about the content distribution, how you can distribute to a different content format, right? And maybe short clip, if you're doing interview, you can cut to short clip, and so many things you can do by using StreamYard. I hope you liked it, and thank you so much for watching me, and please do subscribe to my channel and like this video if you really found valuable things, and let me know which tool you are using for Facebook Live or YouTube Live or anything. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care. Wait for my next video.